Whether it's Angkor or is it Singapore?
All the clothes are black.
Huh?
We know lah, huh?
Yeah.
2018, I interviewed the contractor. The contractor said the spec is like that, what to do. But then again, you don't do a spec like that. You see, just now I video that side. Now I too deep for me to go down. You see, the old one is much more stronger. Thicker and stronger. Okay? Why they dig it out? Why they don't do maintenance, clogging?
Somebody complained.
Actually,
No. It's a 2018 project since then.
Actually, this time was done once a
Yeah, no, they will do randomly go to
This
your.
one done already.
Yeah,
No.
was done once a
They did before already.
Yes. This is
Yeah, I
second
remember.
time.
I remember.
Yes, this is the second time.
Between how many years?
I don't know lah. About 10 years, more
No
than
lah.
10 years lah.
I think less than this. Huh? You see? Now they dig it out like that. Why? I have a question mark. Okay? Isn't this good enough? Is there anything wrong? Is there anything wrong with this one?
One piece crack only, they say want to repair. Then can earn some money.
I really let the Adon and MP know already. Long time ago, since 2018. And randomly, I'm going places to record this down. In my area in Bandar Utama, one row quietly they do it. After that, few months, one row they quietly do it again. It's not spoiled. Bandar Utama, you know.
Bandar Zhongshan are new. It's like Zhongshan are-
I will share this one
Yeah.
to the MP.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay. Fed up lah.
Somebody to voice something.
Again, one more thing is all the trees. Where are the trees being? A lot of trees being chopped off.
No, this is a planted one.
No, not here. I will show you afterward.
Oh.
You see, trees being chopped off. I go and survey the place. The road is very big, you know.
Yeah.
The drain is not being blocked, and the root didn't into it. Why cut the trees?
This one was done once.
Yeah, once already. The second time.
Actually, it's still very good.
Dato' complain. Dato' go my one piece crack only.
Where the purpose stay? Maybe I can find out. Okay, you see? Now they do like that, They do like that, Must well do some railing. I think then I find it more important. You do railing, then I still understand because
Yeah, no, they are not doing this.
you see,
They just repair.
you see this one compared to this one.
Optical cement. Cement quiet. You are staying BU